If you encounter the error, "No license found on Steam," here is a step-by-step guide to help you resolve it. Clear Steam's download cache. Open Steam and click on the Steam icon in the top left corner. Go to Settings and select the Downloads tab. Click on Clear Download Cache. The process may take a few moments. Once it's finished, restart Steam and try running the problematic game. Enable the Steam Beta client. Go back to Settings, then select Interface. Find the Beta Participation section and enroll in the Steam Beta update. Some users may also see an option for the Steam Family Beta. You can also enable it if it's available. Wait for the update to finish, then check if the issue is resolved. Download and replace the DLL files. Open your browser and download the necessary DLL files. The download link is usually provided, but look for reliable sources. Once the download is complete, extract the files to your desktop. Go to the installation folder of the game in question by right-clicking on the game in Steam, then selecting Manage and then Browse Local Files. Go to the bin folder or the appropriate folder for your game's executable, and paste the downloaded DLL files into the same directory as the game's executable file. Completely restart Steam. Exit Steam by right-clicking its icon in the taskbar and selecting Quit. To make sure Steam is completely closed, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open.